Yeah.
I'm gonna kiss on me pussy down, man. I'm going.
I'm going to the king. I tell me now go on to the king.
Yeah, what I tell me take?
Pussy
Before
down.
I don't call that man.
I'm on to you take it up, brother, man.
Who?
Drop something, man. Drop something, Peter.
God Almighty. Take up one man. Me go on with blood that. Tell me that. Me go on there.
Why are the body?
Give me a gun there. Me go and go kill that.
Where is it? Drop something, man. Is that poor? I bad poor.
Where me go on there, man?
Yo.
Not that you pussy down there, brother. Nasty there, that you chuck on my pussy and my blood that pussy down. Chuck on me to a pussy down, man.
Get it now, friend. Get it now, friend. Come and start.
Watch it, that pose, eh?
Now no give me blood clot goat. I'm in a blood clot, you do not tell me back.
Yo, let's call him, man.
How are the rasta be the bed leave anything? You don't suck on the mud, push it up, make my police back. Where are you going there? Now don't give me push it down, what I do not tell me back. You don't push it down. Suck your mama gorilla, your wife gorilla blood clot. Turn that wood. You know what that push it down the machine and the blood clot. I will find him shut down with the push it down with that. I will kill any 4 or 5 pussy one.
Go on here, for the 4 hours.
Suck on your wife pussy down. That didn't because of
4 or 5.
Look what me got them here. Me a thief. Me a tell him I tell me to go to work. I don't go to work here.
What's the man? What's the man?
But suck your wife pussy down, man.
Yeah, you say, but tell you what, hello, man.
But suck up with your pussy down.
Go on, I put your blood tap in, and go on. Yes, go on.
Pussy
Yeah.
down, man, pussy down.
Go on, man.
Give me a blood tap record. What about me to go to work? Me go on there. Me go on there. Put your finger in your butt and choke on that blood clot.